Hey everyone, welcome to the trading floor's 25 days of Tradesmas. Make sure you stick around to the end of this video to find out how you can win $1,000.
Alright, so I'm going to show this one straight from MT4, and then I'll have some screenshots with it showing like the movement throughout the trade. But it's fairly simple, and so therefore seeing it just raw chart on an MT4 on my phone exactly as I look at it to show you guys how simple I like to keep it. Order flow is bullish currently, just internally on the 4 hour, so I'm looking for a retracement. The market came and retraced around here. That retracement was in this area. It then created this strong liquidity and had this kind of flip above where it was going bearish. So I thought that was a good point to enter the market. Enter the market there when I got tagged in right at that zone. Started watching the market. As soon as I flip up here, take a look at what liquidity starts doing. Right, and this was after the market pulled back, broke through, demand held, broke through the high, looked like it took liquidity, came all the way down here, taking all this liquidity over here, taking the extreme demand zone and flipped back up. As soon as it was up here and order flow switched back bullish, that was my trigger to switch my stop loss to break even, like right here. So if the market came back down and tagged out here, I'd have just the commissions covered. And then the market came up here. It looked like it could be sweeping this liquidity right here, and supply could be taking back over because look, I got this tiny little liquidity zone in the middle of this consolidation. I didn't want to be too greedy, so I waited to see what order flow was going to do, and I show a screenshot of me pointing to order flow. If it switches bearish here, I'm getting out of the market, and it did. It switched bearish right there, and I went ahead and got out of the market, and I'll show the result. It was about 1 hour because I got out. I got in on the 15-minute chart, got out on that bearish order flow change after the sweep because I didn't know what was going to happen. It could go up and finish the trade, but that's okay. Oh, and my target was just nearby liquidity, which was right here. Because if it breaks through here, it's likely going to break through here, leaving a liquidity point here. And if my theory is correct, following the 4 hour order flow is probably going to at least try to come back and fill some of whatever that was. So that was my point of liquidity when I say target nearby liquidity. But order flow switched bearish after a liquidity sweep. During consolidation zone, I went ahead and exited the market, but it was still a great example of a liquidity to liquidity trade, and also a rational reason. I didn't get scared here and exit the market. I gave a rational reason, order flow changing, and it wasn't until that point and that I decided to get out. So rational decision making for trade management. So yeah, that's my second and final trade. Merry Christmas, happy holidays, everybody.
Thanks for sticking around to the end. To be eligible for the free $1,000 giveaway, you just have to be able to receive a PayPal payment. To enter, like and comment below and come back tomorrow for another video and another chance to enter.